Hey guys, welcome back to Chaotic Junction. Let me show you a little bit of what I'm getting into today. So if you've got yourself one of these, I think it's like a GMT 800 platform, Silverado, Sierra, whatever. This may also apply to other GM vehicles, I'm sure, newer and older. But mine in specific is an 07 Classic, by the way, with a 5.3. And I am having issues with this hose here, heater core hose, leaking. Kind of see it wet down there. I just happened to be looking under the engine bay one day and I just noticed a little bit of wetness down there, and I'm kind of glad I did. This thing might be on its way to going, you know, everywhere while you're driving. So yeah, so I was looking around for a fix, and which, by the way, these are plastic, and also so is this one. I was looking around and I was like, okay, I found some replacement videos, and then I was looking on Amazon for those replacements and came across these guys right here. If I can, nope, let me grab the other one. These guys right here. This is a Dorman OE Fix for these little heater core adapters. So this is a metal replacement, which is probably what it should have been in the first place. So let's get right into it, I guess. But yeah, basically what I'm saying is if you have one of these trucks, definitely keep an eye on this. If you have not dealt with it yet, you definitely are gonna someday. This is probably more of a time issue than a mileage issue. Like I said, this is an 07 Classic with 265,000 miles. And I have no idea if these have been replaced or not, since I've only been around the truck since around 170,000. So, but yeah, something to keep an eye out for this one, and also the one I put. Oh, hey, there you are. Also that one. So again, let's just get right into it. So you're going to want to get your hands on one of these guys. It was really cheap on Amazon. I think it was like $9, $10, somewhere around there. So this is just like a little thingy. We're going to get it around to the farther point there. We're going to push this way, and it's going to release the, you can kind of see it in there. You can see these four little tabs in there. So that is what this is going to do, is release those tabs, and we should be able to pop these lines this way. Alrighty guys, I hope I got a good position here with the camera. But we're going to go ahead and go in there with our little toolio here. And let's see how this thing holds up. First go, let's see. I say let's see, I can't even see what I'm doing. Can you guys see what I'm doing? Feels like I'm caught up on something. Feels spongy. Yeah. I'm like behind the thing, aren't I? Okay, what's... Alrighty, come on. Okay, I think that's it. I think we got it. I think. Yeah, there we go. I think we got it. Alright. Now we are going to lose a little bit of fluid, but I'm going to pull this tool towards me. This should release the thingy-mabobber. Oh, okay. This should be too pressurized because the truck's been off a good day. Oh. Alrighty. Okay then. Simple. That was very easy. Now from what I could tell, it looked like I was leaking. Oh yeah, look at how nasty. I don't know if the camera does justice to that, but it's pretty gross. Dry rotted. So I'm just going to pull this back. I'm going to set it to the side because we're also going to get the other one off here. If I can, let's see here. I'm kind of doing this blindly. Wait, maybe? Kind of like you gotta get it in there and twist it on. Just because of the positioning here. Is it on? Let's see here. Oh, okay. Getting caught on something. Not sure what, but it's something. Huh. Let me get a screwdriver real quick and jab at it. Did I put it on backwards? Is that what's going on here? I legit can't see it. No, I see that it's on there correctly. I'm just binding on something. Not too sure what the issue is here. It's gotta be operator error though. Oh, there we go. I feel like that took way longer than it needs to. It must have been held up on something. Alright. Alright, look at that. Success. Finally. Okay. Take this up, put it on the side. Oh, goodness gravy. Where are you going, guys? Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and bring our hoses up here for a little better look. This one in particular. Now, a lot of the other videos I was watching on the YouTubes did not have this interesting setup here. Most of them had this little setup here with the clamp. So, my guess is I'm just going to cut the hose right here and call it good. And then clamp it. Maybe this has been replaced at one point. I don't know. Alright. But let's get right into putting these new thingies on. Maybe. The OE Fix. Just kind of compare one of these side by side. Okay, that looks correctish. Yeah. This one should be quite literally plug and play. Let's get our tools here. Alrighty, just got me a new one of these kind of pliers here. These are specifically made for these type of clamps, I guess. So, let's see if I can figure it out. Guess like that. Like that. Look at that. Yeah, this definitely didn't have too much life left in it, that's for sure. Glad I happened to catch that before it like exploded on me when I'm like 400 miles away from home. Of course, you want to look at the hose, I suppose. Make sure it looks good, which it do. Just quite literally put that back in. Then you just kind of like quite literally, maybe. Wait, what would I do? Huh, I probably should have left those on there. That was silly. Ooh. Oh no, complications. Fingers hurt, twist, and shout. Okay. Gotta put that back where it was. Just kind of like there-ish. Alrighty. So there is one side. So we're gonna put it back in this little slot there. I get confused real easy, so that might help me not put it in the right one. Now, for this one. Oh, did you just hear that? Oh, might be changing my mind on the hose being good. Yeah, why? Well, let me cut this one open and we'll see what we got in there. Okay, I mean, feels pretty tough. Might have just been the little stringies in there making noise. I mean, it feels pretty flexy still, and it seems pretty decent. A little gritty sounding. I mean, should be alright. I'm just gonna roll with it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Forgot to put on the little clampy do here first, which I had to buy, so I bought a little pack, so, because I already assumed I wasn't going to have one for this one. Okay, nice, clean. Don't look at that side. Huh. Yeah, I think that should, that's going to hold pretty good, so call that good. All right, let's try the next size down. That might be better. Make sure. Yeah, that should hold. Alrighty. I swear I've done this. Wait, no, I've never done it before. Never mind. Next size down. This looks too small though. Maybe not. Ah, this one's going to be the winner right here. See, I can't even get it over that. That's perfect. I have a feeling that I got the wrong size clamps here going on. Just, I don't know, something just telling me that I just ain't quite doing something right here. There we go. Alrighty, we're gonna definitely want to clean this off with a really good clean rag that you did not just find on the ground. Alrighty. And now, let's see if we get confused here. This one should be my right one, which actually I'll probably start with the left one. Which this should now just push right on and click. And maybe. There it is. Hear that nice little reassuring click there? That's good. This one here should be the same way. Okay. That should be that. Alrighty. I feel like I'm pretty happy with that. That was a pretty smooth, quick, easy install. Now, of course, we're not 100% done yet. Now there will be air in the line, I'm guessing. So it's probably a good idea to let it run for a good minute. Let it purge out some of that air. Probably gonna need to top off our fluid with the proper spec, which I believe this stuff is like the red or pink or orange. I don't know. I'm just gonna put water in it. It'll be fine. I live in Florida. It don't freeze here. But yeah, that's that. I guess let's get it running and see how much fluid it takes down. Well, I tried to start it, but my truck's dead again. So I've got a broken truck charging a dead truck. Yeah, it works. Alright, let's try this again. I've got the other truck shut off, but I left the battery cables hooked up just for good measure. Alright. Anything leaking yet? We'll let it warm up a bit, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, I'm gonna assume my thermostat is just open since the temperature just dropped a little bit. Oh yeah, everything's getting nice and warm. And our fluid is still looking pretty good. Not a whole lot came out. I mean, it was just a very little bit, like I'd say, I don't know, not even a Mountain Dew can's worth. I think we're gonna be good. Of course, it's a good idea to keep your eye on it for a good minute. So now that our thermostat opened, I guess I'm going to go ahead and put this on so everything is properly pressurized. And then we'll keep our eye out on these, which look good so far. Like I said, I'm not going to do it now, but that little Y pipe down there is going to be next. I guess I might as well wait for it to warm up a little more. I'll show you guys. This is the OEM replacement, or a fix, I should say. Sorry, I'm trying to open this one-handed. So as you can see, it comes with hose clamps and a nice metal replacement. Now it's pretty thin, pretty light feeling, but at least it's metal. I mean, I feel like this is going to outlast plastic. So all in all, I have to say so far, I'm pretty sure this is a success. The true test is going to be driving up to Taco Bell and getting me some dinner here in a minute. All in all, very easy repair, super simple. But yeah, I guess that's going to be that, guys. Appreciate anybody who's watching. Now I'm going to leave a link to these metal adapters for the heater core, and I'll also leave a link for the three-way connector here that I just dropped all the other parts on the ground for. But yeah, I will leave those links down in the description. Now they will be Amazon affiliate links since I am part of the Amazon Associates program. So yes, I will gain a small commission off of any qualifying purchases. It's at absolutely no extra cost to you. So now I am supposed to tell you guys that. But yeah, again, I appreciate anybody who's watching. If you like this video, hit the like button. I kind of constantly doing little projects all the time. If you'd like to follow along, don't forget to subscribe, as it will help support the channel. I guess that's that. So hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. You guys have a good one.